check out my audiobooks. Yeah, click on that little shop thing, that little shit down there in the corner. I ain't meant to cuss. But click on one of that little shit down there in the corner. Click on that. And check out one of my goddamn books. You can buy it from your damn phone. Well, you can buy all my books from your phone. But just click on that. It'll take you straight to my one of my audiobooks. And I greatly appreciate it. The only person I got to advertise my audiobooks is me. Who I trust? Me. That's who. Me. That's who. So let's get into this thing. But pause. I greatly appreciate everybody that take the time out to check out my audiobooks. I put a lot of work in them books, and I greatly appreciate it. So anyway, let's go on and get into this email. I got an email from this person, pretty much this young lady. She wanted to know how come it's so easy that the new supply can convince her ex to leave her. All right. This is why it was so easy for your ex to be convinced to leave you, Anyway, if they leave you to go to somebody, monkey branch, or somebody else, that shit a blessing. You don't need that type of person in your life, no way. This go for women and men. So the first thing, the reason why it was so easy, because they bought into the goddamn fantasy that this new supply and all that stuff sold them. A lot of people get talk out of the relationship because they think what's on the other side is better. How they say it, the grass is greener syndrome. That's what it is. And it's because the fantasy of that. The other reason why is because the new supply see that they can have control and dominance over your ex. They're like, okay, well, I can have control and dominance. I can tell this person what to do. If they stupid enough to lead this person to come to me, well, I can have control over them. That's why your ex probably bought into that monkey ass fantasy over there, thinking that the grass is greener and it's better over there. But your attitude should be, well, go. I know it might hurt, and at the moment you might just don't think that. But once you gain control of yourself and gain control of your emotions, you'll see that's the person that you don't want. Because when troubled times come, that's the same person that'll break on your ass and leave you high and dry. So therefore, that problem is someone else's problem. So it's a blessing in disguise. And just the new supply, they probably want control or dominance over your ex. Let them have them. Just let them go. And the other thing is this. The new supply seen what you have and they want it for themselves. So you got to understand like this. When people see you with a good thing, they want to take it away. They going to want it too. People hate to see other people happy. That's true. People hate to see other people happy. If they happy with something, they going to want it too. And once they see you happy, or they see you ain't even gotta be happy. You can just be like that new supply. Just see how your life with your ex used to function and all that stuff. They want it too. That's why a lot of times just be careful. A lot of times these people be telling y'all to break up with that person, throw that person away. As soon as you throw that person away, guess who by the trash can waiting for them? The same person that you told, that was telling you the whole time, get rid of that person because they want that person. So be careful about your friends, family members, and all that stuff. There's always be somebody close by that know your situation. That's why when people monkey branch, they don't go far. They go to a co-worker, friend, family member. It's someone close by. So you got to watch everybody. Me personally, I say this and a lot of people don't like it. Fuck them. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. Jesus' own friend turned his ass in. Trust nobody. That I'm just saying. Jesus' own the person that was walking around in his crew turn them in. See, like a snake, I'm just saying, and I heard like Tupac Shakur say this. See, a snake need to get close to you to bite you. So just be careful who you let be close to you. Just watch everybody, vet everybody. Appear to trust them, but never, ever, ever, ever trust nobody fully. Trust nobody fully. Nobody. How Pop said, the closest people be the ones that do your ass in. So trust nobody. So the other thing is this. They started feeding once they see how your lifestyle is, they start feeding your ex, this person, new supply or painkiller, as I say, or off-brand ass person. They start feeding your ex lies and stuff like that, false information. A lot of time they'll start a smear campaign against you and all that stuff. Like, hey, you remember when, that your ex or your spouse was in school, people used to run train on her or something like that. My cousin, little Ray that's in jail, he said he hit and all that stuff like that. They'll start all sorts of stuff like that. They'll start start playing all sorts of devious games and lying on you and stuff like that. That's why you gotta have you're supposed to have a strong bond with the person. But if they can fall to this fantasy so easy, hey, let them go. You ain't missing nothing. They took a problem off your hand. So in a nutshell, what I'm saying is this. The reason why it was so easy is because, one, your ex bought into the fantasy thinking the grass is greener on the other side over there. Not knowing it's going to be worse. Not knowing it's going to be worse, because the thing is, karma. That's how karma is going to come back and visit them, pay them, pay them a little visit. So that fantasy shit, it don't work out too much. The other reason why is the new supply, the off-brand ass person, as I say, they want what you have. Jealousy. Jealousy, or they feel threatened or some shit type of way, or they just want what you have, either jealousy or they feel threatened. They're like, okay, I want that. I feel like I'll never gain that in my life, and this person over here got it. So let me come up with a strategy or plan to break that shit up so I can have it. So that's what it is. So if you going through these problems, or you have these problems, or you sense you might have these problems, guess what? I'm here. I'm here to help. You can send me an email or you can text me on WhatsApp. It's worldwide. Just text me, tell me what's going on, and we can set up a time to speak. You can get on the phone like, hey, Warren, woo, 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 woo. And I'll be like, okay, this is what you need to do in this situation, because you about to fuck up and, do this. So you need to do that. So you can have a better future, better outcome. So that's what I'm here for. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can be like, you know what, Warren? I don't want to talk to your black monkey ass. I don't like bald-headed tattoo, people, no way. I'm going to just check out your audiobook. And I greatly appreciate it, because I already wrote down the answers to this shit. I got people worldwide and stuff, and I wrote down all the solutions for all these people and stuff. Not to say I'm a super genius and I know all the answers. No, it's just that I know the answers because I F up a whole lot, and I learned from my mistakes. And I started studying like, why I'm fucking up so bad. Then not knowing, about me gaining answers and wisdom and stuff like that, I have enough wisdom because I'm 98 years old and I can see what people going through. Your little young ass, I already figured it out. See, you like in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. See, I'm 98 years old. I already know all that. I know live what you're trying to do. I know live long enough where it came back around and I already know the answer. That's why you need to send me an email or you can text me on WhatsApp. I'm here for you. I do this. This is my service. This is my service to you. I'm only here to add value to your life if you allow it. So with that being said, I want you to take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. Mind your damn business and stay out the way. When you see the off-brand ass people coming, just let them pass. Mind your business. Stay cool, calm, and collective, and just reach out to me, and I'm here for you. Now, with that being said, peace.